Students, in this question we have to find the asymptote of the given curve 2x cube minus x square y minus 2xy square plus y cube plus 2x square plus xy minus y square plus 2x plus 3y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. We have to find the asymptote of this algebraic curve by shorter method. Here we can see that highest degree of this algebraic curve is 3 and there are 4 terms of degree 3, whereas there are 3 terms of degree 2. So in this question, the degree of the highest degree of the given curve, highest degree of given curve is 3 and the second highest degree of curve is 2. In this question we see that there are 4 terms of degree 3, 3 terms of degree 2. So first we find out phi 3m. For finding phi 3m, we put here x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in all the 3 degree terms. So this can be written as 2 multiplied 1 cube minus 1 square multiplied by m minus 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by m square plus this is m cube. So phi 3m is equal to 2 minus m minus 2m square plus m cube. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ गिवन कर्व की जो इक्वेशन है ये इसकी हाईएस्ट डिग्री 3 है और सेकेंड हाईएस्ट डिग्री 2 है. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 3 डिग्री के 4 टर्म्स हैं 2x क्यूब माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस 2xy स्क्वायर प्लस y क्यूब and here are 3 terms of degree 2, that is 2x square plus xy minus y square. First we find here phi 3m. For finding phi 3m, we put x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in place of all the terms in place of x and y of degree 3. आप देख सकते हैं phi 3m फाइंड करने के लिए 3 डिग्री के सभी टर्म में x के प्लेस पे 1 और y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट किया गया है. सो 2 into 1 cube minus 1 square into m minus 2 into 1 into m square plus m cube. So this can be written 1 cube is 1 multiplied by 2 this is 2, 1 square is 1 multiplied by m this is m, 2 multiplied by 1 2, 2 multiplied by m square that is 2m square m plus m cube. Now we put here phi 3m is equal to 0 and get the value of m. So this is m cube minus 2m square minus m plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we can see that this is an cubic equation. This is a cubic equation in m. So first we find out factor of this equation. So we take common m square from first 2 term, that is we get m minus 2 in first bracket and the last 2 term we get here 1 common. So this is m minus 2 here is equal to 0. Now we taking common m minus 2 from both the terms and get m square minus 1 in the next bracket. Now we can use here formula a square minus b square and we know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this can be written as m plus 1 multiplied by m minus 1 equal to 0. So here we find value of m is m minus 1 equal to 0, either m plus 1 equal to 0 or m minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get here m is equal to 1, minus 1 and 2. Now we find here value of c corresponding m is equal to 1, minus 1 and 2. So we know that formula for c is equal to minus phi n minus 1m divided by phi n dash m, where n is the highest degree of given curve. Where n is highest degree of given curve. Here the highest degree is 3. So we put here in place of 3, in place of n, we put here n is equal to 3. So we get here minus phi 2m divided by phi 3 dash m. Now we find out here phi 2m, and we know that phi 2m can be obtained by putting x equal to 1 and y is equal to m in all the second degree term. So in place of x we put here 1, in place of x we put here 1, in place of y we put here m, and in place of y we put here m. So this is 2 plus m minus m square. So this is phi 2m. So here phi 2m can be obtained by putting x equal to 1 and y equal to m in all the second degree term of the given algebraic curve. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर गिवन algebraic curve में सेकेंड डिग्री के 3 टर्म्स है, 2x² plus xy minus y². इसमें x के प्लेस पे 1, y के प्लेस पे m सब्स्टिट्यूट करके phi 2m we can find. Now we find here phi 3 dash. So here phi 3m is given. Phi 3m is 2 minus m minus 2m square plus m cube. Now we differentiate phi 3 with respect to m, get phi 3 dash m. So 2 is constant, so differentiation of 2 is 0, and differentiation of m with respect to m is 1, so this is minus 1, and differentiation of m square with respect to m is 2m, so this can be written as 2 multiplied by 2m, and differentiation of m cube is 3m square. So we can write here phi 3 dash m is equal to minus 1, 2 multiplied by 2m, so this is 4m plus 3m square. Here we can write phi 3 dash m is equal to 3m square minus 4m minus 1. Now we find value of c. So put here value of phi 2m and phi 3 dash m in above formula and get what is c. So c is equal to minus phi 2m. Phi 2m we can see here, this is 2 plus m minus m square divided by phi 3 dash m is 3m square minus 4m minus 1. If we take a common minus in from the numerator, so this minus will be plus, and so this is m square minus m minus 2 divided by 3m square minus 4m minus 1. Now we find value of c corresponding to the value of m. Here m is equal to, when we take m is equal to 1, we get c is equal to 1 square minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 1. So we know that 1 square, this is 1 minus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 square is 1 multiplied by 3, 3, 4 multiplied by 1, 4 minus 1. So we can see here C is equal to this 1 is cancelled by this 1. So in the numerator we get minus 2, and here we can see that 4 minus 1, this is 5. So minus 2 divided by minus 2, so this is 1. So corresponding M is equal to 1, we get C is equal to 1. Now we find value of C corresponding M is equal to minus 1. So we put here minus 1 square minus minus 1 minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by minus 1 square minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 minus 1. So here we can see that minus 1 square is plus 1, and this minus multiplied by minus, this gives plus 1, minus 2 divided by minus 1 square is 1 multiplied by 3, 3, and this minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, we get plus 4 minus 1. So here we can see that this 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, so this is 0. So corresponding M is equal to minus 1, we get C is equal to 0. Now we find out value of C corresponding M is equal to 2 here. So C is equal to 2 square minus 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 2 square minus 4 into 2 minus 1. So here we can see that 2 square, this is 4 minus 4 divided by 2 square, 4 3 is 12 minus 4 2 is 8 minus 1. So 4 minus 4, this is equal to 0. Now we put here, now we find asymptote of given curve are y is equal to mx plus c. So we put here m is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. So we get x plus 1. If we put m is equal to minus 1 and c is equal to 0, so we get minus x plus 0, that is minus x. If we put m is equal to here, we put m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 0, we get y is equal to 2x plus 0, that is 2x. So the asymptotes are x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, x plus y equal to 0, and 2x minus y is equal to 0. In this question, we can see that we find 3 real asymptote of the given curve. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसको शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और कमेंट करें. थैंक यू.